Hello, kumusta? Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if this is your first time to see a video from this channel, hi, my name is Abby. That's Abby with an H, and welcome. I hope that you consider subscribing to this channel so that you and I can be friends here on YouTube and so that you'll get notified on my next video. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi Veyga! How are you? Kumusta na? Welcome back! So for today's video, we are going to be testing out this cruelty-free vegan nail gel polish kit from Madam Glam, New York. So they sent me this kit along with this mini UV LED lamp. I was so curious and excited when I got this package because I have never ever tried doing gel nail polish myself. I used to do that before, but I'd have to go to the salon. I have not had any gel polish on my nails for so long, so this was perfect because I've actually been wanting to do my nail polish because ever since I've been doing all these unboxing, these hauls and reviews, and I've seen my videos and I see my nails here just so ugly. So I thought I should really go back to putting on nail polish on my nails. So when they reached out and said that they would want to send me their nail products and for me to try and do a review on it, I was just like, sure, why not? Because that was just the perfect timing. My response to them was, I definitely need a glam on my nails. So if you want to know more about Madam Glam New York, please keep on watching.
Madam Glam is a New York City-based startup beauty brand. They offer certified vegan gel polish, HEMA-free, cruelty-free, 21-free, palm oil-free, and gluten-free nail and gel polishes. They have more than 1,800 gels and 800 plus shades available and are launching new colors every month. This is an easy-to-use UV LED lamp that has dual timer for 45 seconds or 60 seconds. This is for curing your fingernail and your toenails. It's super lightweight and portable that cures all kinds of gels, besides builders and polygels. It also has soft light that's gentle on your eyes and skin.
So yes, that's the Madam Glam New York, and aren't they just so cute? The packaging, how they sent it, this one in this box, and this mini UV LED lamp is just so cute. And so now let us try their gel nail polish, and I'll show you step by step how to use this kit and how very easy and convenient this is.
First, we will start with our base coat. After applying the base coat, we are going to cure our nails under the UV LED lamp. Once you turn on the UV LED lamp, after 45 seconds, it'll just automatically turn off. Now let's do the other side, my right hand. Next, time to apply our gel polish. I chose the color Marshmallow. It's like a white-ish or very pale pink with some dots in it. It's really a beautiful color. Like, I really like this. So for the first coating, it's still not able to show you the whole color, so I had to do 2 coats for this one. And oh my goodness, mga Veyga, I just really apologize that I have a lot of mess around this one. I was not able to do this very well. I am so sorry. It's cause you will see later. and then after applying that, we are going to cure that again. So for this one, I pressed it twice so I can cure it for 60 seconds. And lastly, we are going to apply our top coat gel, and we'll be going under our UV LED lamp for the last time. And lastly, I used cleaning pad to clean up the edges, the mess that I had, and voila, we are done. So fast and easy.
So yes, mga Veyga, isn't it such a Veyga gel nail polish kit? And I really love the colors that I chose. I actually chose those colors myself, and oh my gosh, I don't blame anybody for this one or Madam Glam. I just blame myself, because if you just know the struggle of filming it and doing it for the first time ever while filming, and then like I will show you a video of the behind the scenes and how I did that. So I kind of messed my nails, so this is how my nails looks like now, but I just love how the color is. Just don't mind the mess that I made all over my nails. I would definitely redo this and do this like not filming, so that I'd be able to do it well. So if you are a kikay like me who likes to glam up not just your face, your clothes, your dress, everything, your shoes, and you want to glam up your nails, oh my gosh, Madam Glam, they have plenty of choices colors to choose from. And I was just looking at their website and I'm so intrigued by this pudding gel. I would love to try that, and their kits, their bundles. So yeah, I'm looking at their website right now. They even have VIP. Oh, so if you join their VIP membership, you would save even more for the bundles, because besides from the bundles being on sale, you will have a VIP price. So oh my gosh, this is such a good place to get your nail polish. And plus, oh my gosh, mga Veyga, I do have a special discount code for you for 30% off. Yes, that's 30% off your entire purchase. Such a glamorous deal from Madam Glam. I'm gonna put my discount code in the description for you, or I'll flash it here on the screen. So yes, mga Veyga, let's go and do our nails now and be glamorous this summer, fall, winter. They have all the colors that matches the seasons of the year. Yes. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, me doing my nails, although it's kind of a fail because it's my fault. It was a struggle to do it while filming, but I promised to do it again without all the cameras and everything set up. But yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like and also to subscribe to this channel so that you and I can be friends and we'll be interacting here on YouTube. Please, and be one of my Veyga friends here. As always, amping mo pirmi, please take care of yourselves, mga Veyga, and always be glamorous. Babu!